Good morning, everyone, and happy Wednesday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. As usual, we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news. We do have a couple notable earnings this morning, and we'll see which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Just before we get into all of that, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are back into the red this morning. Right now, the Dow futures are down 0.25%, S&P 500 futures down 0.48%, while NASDAQ futures are down 0.98%. Apple may be curbing its production of the new iPhone this year due to muted demand. In a report from Bloomberg, they cited unknown sources saying that the tech giant has told suppliers to curb the assembly of the iPhone 14 product family by around 6 million units in the latter half of this year. Apple aims to produce 90 million handsets this year, around the same level as last year. Analysts currently rate the Apple stock a strong buy with an average upside of over 20%. Shares of Robinhood were up a few percent last night after the company rolled out their latest non-custodial crypto wallet to select 10,000 customers. With the help of the new beta launch of the Robinhood wallet, customers will enjoy complete custody of their funds and will be able to trade as well as swap crypto. They can also earn crypto rewards and store and track their blockchain portfolios. Unlike their peers, Robinhood will not charge its customers a network fee for transactions. The Robinhood stock is currently rated a hold from analysts with an average upside of over 22%. Ocugen announced a licensing deal with Washington University in St. Louis, Missouri to introduce an intranasally delivered COVID-19 vaccine in the US, Europe, and Japan. Their intranasal vaccine, which is currently authorized for emergency use in India, is designed for protection during high viral transmission as it generates rapid local immunity in the nose, mouth, upper airway, and lungs. Ocugen's chief executive noted its potential to become a booster option regardless of the initial COVID-19 vaccine. He said that we look forward to working with US, European, and Japanese regulators to expedite development. Analysts currently rate the Ocugen stock a strong buy with an impressive upside of over 376%. And Lockheed Martin has won a $115 million contract from the US Navy. It is an indefinite delivery, indefinite quantity contract for diminishing manufacturing sources parts for F-35 Lightning II program for the Air Force, Navy, Marine Corps, non-U.S. Department of Defense participants, and foreign military sales customers. The work is expected to be completed by September of 2023. Analysts currently rate the Lockheed Martin stock a hold with an average upside of 18%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. In the pre-market this morning, we'll be hearing from Cintas Corporation and Paychex, and in the after hours from Vail Resorts. Already in the pre-market this morning, we heard from Thor Industries, who easily beat analyst expectations. They reported fourth quarter earnings per share of $5.15 that beat analyst expectations by $1.30. Their revenue of $3.82 billion was up over 6% year over year and beat the analyst expectations by $120 million. Analysts currently rate the stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 18%. In the after hours last night, we heard from Blackberry. Their stock is down in the pre-market this morning despite beating analyst expectations. Their loss of 5 cents per share was narrower than the expected loss of 7 cents per share for analysts. Their revenue came in at $168 million, ahead of the $165.8 million expected. The company's cybersecurity revenue did fall 8% year over year. Analysts currently rate the Blackberry stock a hold with an average upside of 32%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Biogen. Their stock is soaring after surprise trial success for their Alzheimer's drug. Under the ticker BIIB, the stock is currently up 47%. They're followed by Eli Lilly under LLY, up 7.8%, and Frontier Communications under FYBR, up 5.5%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Blackline. The most recent news is they unveiled the first tax hyper automation capabilities, which seems positive, but the stock is falling this morning. Trading under the ticker BL, they're currently down 7.86%. They're followed by Equitrans Midstream under ETRN down 6.15%, and Barclays under BCS down about 6%. So that is going to be everything for Wednesday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments. I always love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.